Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night from where or when you're watching this video. This is John from IT Skills Academy, and I'm taking this opportunity to welcome you back to my channel. Thanks for choosing to run with IT Skills Academy. In today's video, I'm going to showcase how you can fix an issue in Phpmyadmin whereby by all means you are unable to drop a specific database. Well, before we get into fixing the problem, let's talk about what brings about the problem in the first place. It could not be an issue as such. Why do I say so? Well, it turns out that in Phpmyadmin, one can turn on or off the ability of dropping a database, and this can be as well come by default. This therefore means that if this feature is disabled, one cannot drop a database by all means in Phpmyadmin. Having said that, therefore, it means that by just enabling this, you'll have solved all your problems. But how do you go about this? Well, worry no more, because in the next 2 minutes, I'll have taken you through this step by step. So without so much ado, let's do this. But first, we'll roll the intro. Thanks for choosing to continue to learn with IT Skills Academy. So sometimes back, I was facing the same problem where I was unable to drop the database. I tried the easiest way of checking the checkbox next to the database I wanted to drop, but the checkbox was not there. I tried to head on to the SQL and write the drop database if exists script to try and drop the database. But this is the error that I got. Drop database statements are disabled, and I was like, voila, this is what I need to fix. So how do you go about fixing this? So head on to your local disk C and head on to XAMPP, then open the Phpmyadmin folder and head on to libraries, and here you need to look for a file named config.default.php. You need to open this file with your text editor. So in my case, I'm going to open it with Notepad++, and then here you need to look for this line here. In my case, it is on line 777. So as you can see, the allow user drop database is equals to false, and this means that it is disabled. And so to enable it, all you need to do is change this from false to true, and you'll have fixed all your problems. So you need now to save that, and after saving the file, if you now go back and refresh the Phpmyadmin, you notice that there will be the checkbox that you can now be able to check and drop the specific database that you want to drop. So in my case, I'll now try to write the script to drop the database in the SQL and see if we'll be able to drop the database SRMS. So that is just the name of the database that I have. So I'll just come and write drop database if exists, and then the name of the database, that is SRMS, and then I'll try to say OK, and as you can see, it says my SQL returned an empty result set, and that means that the database has been dropped successfully. So you can also be able to drop the database now the easiest way by just checking the checkbox next to the name of the database, and in this case I'll try to come and drop the RMS. So I just come and say OK. I confirm that I want to destroy the database, say OK, and as you can see now, it tells me one database has been dropped successfully. And that's simply how you can be able to fix the issue of being unable to drop the database in Phpmyadmin. Hope that fixed your issue, and if it fixed your issue, kindly like the video and share it with your friends. Well, it's time to get back to work, so Let me see you in the next one.